In January 2017, a meticulous investor built what the financial media praised as a perfectly diversified portfolio. They filled it with international equities, emerging markets, gold, utilities, and individual tech stocks, dedicating hours every single week to tracking and rebalancing. Yet, by May of 2026, that hyper-complex strategy was cleanly beaten by an investor who did something incredibly boring. They selected just one single fund, closed their laptop, and went for a walk. That single ticker turned a $100,000 investment into roughly $500,000 with zero weekly maintenance. Modern culture has conditioned investors to believe that building real wealth requires structural complexity, implying that if a strategy isn't complicated, it cannot possibly be effective. However, as Warren Buffett famously noted, diversification is often a protection against ignorance, making very little sense if you actually know what you are doing. The real enemy for most investors is portfolio drift, panicking during bad news cycles, switching to cash, or copying strategies meant entirely different age groups. To maximize wealth, an investor must match their cornerstone asset to their specific decade of life, optimizing for the mathematically precise relationship between time and risk. When you're in your 20s, your single greatest mathematical advantage is pure time, giving you the unique ability to endure short-term volatility in exchange for massive long-term compounding. At this stage, you do not need immediate cash flow. You need companies that aggressively plow their revenue back into scaling operations. For this decade, the mathematically optimal asset is a U.S. large-cap growth ETF, specifically the Schwab U.S. large-cap growth ETF, ticker SCHG. Unlike concentrated alternatives that restrict holdings to non-financial sectors, SCHG tracks the Dow Jones U.S. large-cap growth total stock market index, holding nearly 200 positions across all sectors for an incredibly low expense ratio of 0.004%. From 2017 through mid-2026, SCHG averaged roughly 19% per year in total return, meaning a $100,000 investment grew to approximately $500,000. As you transition into your 30s, life introduces major structural changes like mortgages, families, and career shifts, meaning a 30% market drawdown carries a much heavier emotional weight. The ideal choice for this decade shifts to the bedrock of global finance, the Vanguard S&P 500 ETF, ticker VO. With a microscopic 0.03% fee, VO dilutes concentration risk by spreading your capital across 500 of the largest, most stable U.S. corporations, delivering a historically reliable 15% annualized return alongside a quiet 1.06% dividend yield. By the time you reach your 40s, you are entering your peak earning years, and your portfolio size is no longer trivial. At this specific junction, a subtle but vital shift must occur. You need to capture the growth of the entire economy rather than relying solely on the mega-cap tech giants that dominate daily headlines. The single definitive choice for your 40s is the Vanguard Total Stock Market ETF, ticker VTI. Instead of limiting your exposure to the 500 largest companies, VTI broadens your horizon to over 3,500 holdings spanning large cap, mid cap, and small cap equities across every active sector. Historically, VTI has trailed the S&P 500 by just a minor fraction, averaging roughly 14.6% per year and turning a $100,000 baseline into $356,000 over the same multi-year period. Accepting this slight haircut on raw returns acts as a structural insurance policy against a macroeconomic regime shift. If mid-cap and small-cap value stocks begin to outperform mega-cap tech over the next decade, a cyclical phenomenon that has repeated throughout financial history, VTI captures that internal rotation automatically, shielding your accumulated wealth from dangerous sector concentration. Entering your 50s places you in a critical psychological zone where retirement is no longer a distant concept, but a looming reality. The hidden trap that destroys wealth in this decade is panic. Many investors fear a sudden market crash and prematurely dump their growth engines into high-yield dividend traps or long-term bonds. This is a severe mathematical mistake because your capital still needs to outpace inflation and last for another 30 to 40 years. The objective here is not high immediate yield, but dividend appreciation, making the Vanguard Dividend Appreciation ETF ticker VIG the optimal cornerstone asset. VIG strictly avoids chasing high-paying stagnant stocks, focusing instead on high-quality blue-chip companies with a proven track record of increasing their dividend payouts for at least 10 consecutive years. Holding roughly 334 positions for a low 0.06% fee, VIG delivered a highly respectable 12.7% annualized return up to 2026. Crucially, its downside protection is exceptional. During major macroeconomic pullbacks where the broader S&P 500 dropped 18%, VIG dropped only 9%, protecting both your retirement balance and your emotional peace of mind during the volatile years. Upon reaching your 60s, the entire paradigm of investing fundamentally flips from capital accumulation to cash distribution. The primary objective is no longer maximizing the total size of your investment pile, but ensuring that the pile safely and predictably generates cash flow so you never have to liquidate shares at a loss during an equity market downturn. The gold standard for this specific distribution phase is Schwab's U.S. Dividend Equity ETF, ticker SCHD. This fund tracks the Dow Jones U.S. Dividend 100 Index, selecting 100 elite companies based on strict corporate health metrics, cash flow sustainability, and a minimum of 10 consecutive years of dividend growth, yielding approximately 3.24%. The real-world application changes completely as a $1 million portfolio invested in SCHD generates roughly $32,400 per year in pure quarterly income independent of daily stock price fluctuations. Since its 2011 inception, SCHD has delivered a strong 13% annualized total return, but its defining metric for retirees is its resilience. During recent downturns where the broader market plummeted 18%, SCHD's worst single year was a decline of just 5.5%, preventing catastrophic sequence of returns risk. Data from the Center for Disease Control notes that while the average American life expectancy is 79, an individual who reaches age 65 in reasonable health faces a 25% probability of living past 90. Planning for your 70s requires an asset class explicitly optimized for high reliable monthly income that minimizes the risk of running out of capital. For this final stage, the strategic pick is the JP Morgan Equity Premium Income ETF, ticker JEPI. JEPI operates differently than traditional index funds. It is an actively managed ETF that holds defensive large-cap U.S. stocks while simultaneously overlaying a covered call option strategy to generate high-volume premiums. Because of this active mechanism, it carries a higher expense ratio of 0.35% and is highly tax inefficient inside a standard brokerage account, meaning it should ideally be held within a Roth or traditional IRA, averaging a trailing dividend yield of approximately 8.44%. GP converts a median American retirement savings balance of $432,000 into roughly $36,400 of annual income or $3,000 per month in consistent cash flow. While the covered call strategy caps some upside potential during aggressive bull markets, its downside protection is remarkably tight, restricting its worst annual decline to just 3% during severe market contractions, establishing a rock-solid financial foundation for the final decades of life.